Naimbag nga bigat kada tayo ang amin. Kahit mi nga abrasaan kayo dito'y eco-friendly park, ang sarakan ito'y
You've arrived at your destination.
Santa Rita North, Agoo, La Union. It was established in 2000 to protect the 10,648.94 hectares of coastal area, including mangrove swamps, seagrass beds, and stretches of fine black sand beaches. It was first gazetted as a national park in 1965 and was known as the Agoo the Maltese National Seashore Park. A few more meters of walking and you'll reach the beach area. The very fine gray sand-lined beach has a very wide and lengthy shoreline. It seems ideal for swimming, kite flying, or just basking under the sun. And you can also do pictorials like weddings, prenuptials, christening, and debuts. If you still aren't aware, this side of La Union offers a spectacular view of the sunset. That is why coming here in the afternoon is a perfect time. Temperature wouldn't be too scorching, and of course, waiting for the sundown is a delightful experience.
At ngayon naman, tapos nating pagmasdan ang kagandahan ng view, beach, halina kayo at samahan nyo pa rin kaming pagmasdan ng kagandahan ng La Union.
Kinapangong marahan ang hasanan para lamang makidlasan sa kaitaas-taas.
Sa murang halaga na entrance fee ay makakapag-relax ka na. Kasama ang kaibigan at pamilya, may mga cottage na pwedeng pagpahingaan at may mga budget-friendly rin na pwedeng paghigaan muna habang nag-enjoy sa kagandahan ng Eco Park, kwentuhan, tawanan, higit sa lahat pagbibigay ng quality time sa mga kaibigan at sa pamilya.
Kwentuhan, tawanan at higit sa lahat, pagbibigay ng quality time sa mga kaibigan.
At dahil nabanggit na rin ang salitang kaibigan, nais kong ipasok ang kantang ito.
As we grow older, we realize that things will never be the same as before. Life becomes complicated. It gets heavier as days goes by, but we don't have a choice but to keep on going. Go with the flow in whatever will be. Habang tumatagal, mas na-realize ko na sobrang bilis ng palataga ng panahon. And I've missed a lot of chance to be happy because I always want to see my parents to be proud of me. And here I am, happy with them, sharing my laughter as I don't have problems. In the end of this vlog, I am truly grateful to my teacher for assigning us the mini vlog project. It was not just a simple assignment, it was a valuable lesson and a self-discovery and happiness. Thank you, sir, for giving us the opportunity to explore, express ourselves, and learn the importance of finding joy in ourselves.